Ukraine has intensified its campaign against Russia by targeting oil tankers in the Black Sea, part of Russia's shadow fleet used to bypass Western sanctions. These drone strikes have disabled vessels capable of transporting oil worth nearly $70 million, escalating tensions and potentially impacting global oil markets. Japan has approved a supplementary defense budget of 847.2 billion yen, $5.4 billion, to accelerate the construction of frigates and submarines. This move is aimed at enhancing military readiness against regional threats from China, North Korea, and Russia. The budget includes significant allocations for early operational readiness of aircraft and vessels, signaling a robust commitment to strengthening defense capabilities. Quantum Systems has increased its valuation to $3.5 billion after raising €180 million in a Series C extension. This marks the largest private capital raise in Europe's dual-use sector this year, highlighting strong investor confidence in technologies that serve both civilian and military applications. Turning to the markets, L3Harris Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its stock rise by 1.62% to $168.45, buoyed by increased defense spending in Japan. This macroeconomic development is expected to enhance demand for Palantir's data analytics solutions in defense sectors globally. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a modest increase of 0.10% to $279.46. The company is benefiting from analyst optimism, with projections of significant upside potential due to its strong market position in drone technology. Rheinmetall, ticker symbol RHMDE, faced a decline of 2.21% to $1,480.50. The company's aggressive expansion strategy under CEO Armin Papperger is causing volatility, as rapid growth in the defense sector presents both opportunities and risks. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, saw its stock climb by 0.91% to $572.25. The company continues to benefit from new defense contracts and anticipated growth in Europe, despite the cessation of hostilities between Ukraine and Russia. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Japan's defense budget boost enhances opportunities in aerospace and defense sectors. 2. Monitor Rheinmetall for volatility due to aggressive expansion. 3. Quantum Systems valuation rise signals strong dual-use tech investment.